Alright, so this is going to be a short review of solving rational equations. I've written the first problem up here. It's 1 over x minus 3 equals x over x minus 3 plus 5 over 6. First thing we want to do is we want to find a common denominator. And I am going to, let me erase that and print. We want a common denominator. Okay? And in this case, our common denominator is going to be 6 and x minus 3. So if I want to give everything that same denominator. So in my first fraction, I have the 1 over x minus 3, so I have the x minus 3. I'm just missing the 6. So I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by 6. My second fraction, again, I have just the x minus 3, so I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by 6. For my last fraction, I am missing the x minus 3, so I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by x minus 3. Now, here's the really cool thing. All my denominators have exactly the same thing. And because I'm solving an equation, I can do the next step, and it's a really, really cool step. I can cross them all out. And I'm left with 6 times 1 equals x times 6 plus 5 times x minus 3. Simplify it, and let's solve it. 6 equals 6x plus 5x minus 15. So 6 equals 11x minus 15. Move the 15 over and I get 21 equals 11x. So x equals 21 over 11. And that doesn't reduce. Now the only thing I have to be careful of, when we were doing our rational expressions, we had excluded values. I don't have excluded values anymore, and I know some of you are probably thinking, yay, no excluded values. And that's great. We don't have to worry about it. All we have to worry about is, does this answer here, if I put it back into my original denominators, does it ever give me a 0? And so if I took a 21 minus 11 minus 3, or excuse me, 21 over 11 minus 3, I'm not going to get a 0, so we're good. So this is a happy face. We're done with this one. Alright, let's go on to a next one. Okay, so our next problem is going to be x over x squared plus 5x plus 6 minus 9 over x plus 3 equals 7 over x plus 2. Again, the first thing we need to find is a common denominator. To do that, I need to factor all my denominators. Make sure everything is factored. So in my first one, I'm not going to show you the steps. You guys by this point should know how to factor. So the x squared plus 5x plus 6 factors to be x plus 2, x plus 3, minus 9 over x plus 3 equals 7 over x plus 2. Now we just do exactly what we did before. And our common denominator this time is x plus 3, x plus 2. So in the first one, I don't have to change a thing. It's already there. My second fraction, it's missing the x plus 2. So I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by x plus 2. My third fraction is missing the x plus 3. And I started writing a 3 there. It needs to be a 2. So times x plus 3, x plus 3. Okay, same thing. All of my denominators are the same now. So let's cross them out. And we're left with x minus 9 times x plus 2 equals 7 times x plus 3. Very common mistake of students is on this middle term right here. They forget to bring this negative sign. Don't forget to bring down that negative, because what's going to happen is you're going to not distribute it all the way through and you're going to get your problem wrong. So now distribute it. X minus 9x minus 18 equals 7x plus 21. Combine like terms, I get negative 8x minus 18 equals 7x plus 21. Move the 7x over, so minus 7x. And that gives me negative 15x minus 18 equals 21. Add 18. And now we have negative 15x equals 39, so x equals negative 39/15. And there's our answer. Again, if I look at my denominators and I put that fraction in, I'm not going to get a 0, so we're all done. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of the review for solving rational equations.